Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows calculator if it is not opening or not working on your PC. First, we will try to repair or reset the calculator app. Open Settings. Click on Apps, then go to Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. In the search box, type Calculator. When you see it, click on it or click the three dots next to it. Then choose Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Repair button. Click Repair and wait a few seconds. After that, try opening the calculator again. If it still does not work, come back to the same screen and click Reset. This will reset the app to default settings. If the problem continues, the Microsoft Store cache may be corrupted. Press the Windows key and type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open. Do not close it. Wait until it closes by itself, and the Microsoft Store opens again. If the calculator still does not open, reinstalling it is usually the best solution. Open Settings again and go to Apps and Installed Apps. Find Calculator in the list. Click on the three dots and choose Uninstall. After it is removed, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Windows Calculator and click Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and check if it works normally. Thanks for watching.